Hello friends, today we'll talk about a company that has been in the headlines for the past 6 years, Onpassive. Onpassive is an AI-based IT company with the goal of automating business processes and introducing digital services like website development, email marketing, business automation and cloud-based solutions on a single platform. The company's visionary Ash Mufareh, through his passionate webinars and online events, promised thousands of O-founders an autopilot income system where earning without effort would be possible. But have these promises turned into reality? Onpassive's founder and CEO Ash Mufareh showed millions a dream of an automated digital future. But today that dream is under the shadow of doubts, disappointments and questions. This has led to controversies and rumors surrounding the company, causing concern not only among O-founders, but also the general public. Recent reports have deeply impacted the company's reputation and the morale of O-founders. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at Onpassive's current situation, the concerns of O-founders, and the company's future. Stay with us until the end. It's clear that the growing frustration around Onpassive has several reasons. Let's examine them one by one. There's no doubt that every successful organization thrives on leadership, but when leadership disappears, the team inevitably falls apart. Critics claim that Mr. Ash Mufareh, who inspired O-founders with his webinars and online events, has been absent from the scene for some time. Mr. Ash Mufareh's absence is not just a temporary silence, but a leadership void. He has never provided clarification on his official social media, nor issued any blogs, press releases, or white paper updates. This silence has fueled rumors and given YouTubers opportunities to create baseless videos. No live webinars, no updates, no official statements. His absence has sparked concern among O-founders. The question is this just a temporary pause or a major crisis? Was Mr. Ash Mufareh's vision merely a fantasy? Was the passion that united millions just a marketing ploy? In 2018, Mr. Ash Mufareh said, "We're going to make the world a better place." But today, products like O-Mail and O-Connect remain inactive. Was this the revolution promised to O-founders? Critics further claim that Onpassive promised O-founders attractive financial incentives, but commission payments have stopped. There's no clear system for bonuses. Promised returns are nowhere to be seen. This financial uncertainty is eroding O-founders' trust. The second major complaint is the lack of earnings. Many rivals have said, "We invested years ago, but we haven't seen any clear financial benefits." It's a fact that when hopes are dashed, heartbreak is natural. They further state that there are reports of alleged investigations by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, against Onpassive, but the company has not provided a clear stance. O-founders have not been informed about legal details. This silence is fueling doubts and further weakening the wall of trust. Opponents say that years have passed. Launch dates have come and gone, repeatedly postponed, and no complete official launch has occurred. People say every time a new promise, a new date, but zero results. This continuous delay has left O-founders disheartened. Narrow-minded people claim that Onpassive established grand offices in Dubai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and other locations, with advertisements on Burj Khalifa's lights and metro stations. But now reports suggest the Dubai office has closed. Technical operations in Hyderabad and Kolkata are suspended. These reports are pushing O-founders toward despair. Question: are these financial difficulties or a strategic shift? Several YouTubers and media outlets have spread unverified, baseless claims against Onpassive, labeling it a scam or fraud. This negative propaganda has increased O-founders' frustration and confusion, discouraging new O-founders. These fake YouTube videos ignite emotions more than truth. significantly damaging Onpassive's image. Critics mockingly claim that Onpassive once dominated Dubai's branding stations, from Burj Khalifa's lights to metro stations. But now its logo has disappeared from these places. This was an emotional blow for O-founders, who believed they were part of a global company. That pride has now turned into a question mark. Question: was this just a marketing strategy? There are also reports that some former employees within Onpassive's inner circles engaged in malicious acts, theft or rebellion, causing significant harm to the company. According to some reports, former employees disrupted the system, leaked confidential information, slowed down the launch process. These internal issues have damaged the company's reputation and progress. Opponents sarcastically question that Onpassive positioned itself as a leader in the AI world, but is any active AI product available on its platform? Is any SaaS model operational? Are APIs or developer documentation available? Meanwhile, user interfaces and performance are far below global standards. Question: was AI just a marketing slogan? Critics object that Onpassive spent millions on advertising campaigns at Burj Khalifa, metro stations, New York and India, but its core systems and product development have lagged. This raises the question: was the focus more on promotion than product development? Question: did the company set the wrong priorities? Rivals say that O-founders' frustration is justified because O-founders didn't just invest money in Onpassive, they tied their dreams to it, convinced friends and family, staked their reputation. But in return they received delays, lack of transparency, and subpar products, financial, emotional, and social losses. Thousands of O-founders are demanding refunds, but there's no clear policy, no responses or actions. This ambiguity is further eroding trust. Opponents ask that Mr. Ashmufare initially said, "We're going to make the world a better place, where ordinary people can become extraordinary." But today the questions are, where is that vision? Where are those promises? Was the passion that united millions just an illusion? Onpassive wasn't just a tech company, it was built on an economy of trust. But when trust is broken, even the most expensive technology becomes useless. In the current situation, O-founders' trust has been severely impacted, which is the company's greatest loss. Critics object that Onpassive promised training webinars and guidance, but there's no central knowledge base, no user support hub, no fully functional help desk system. This has increased user difficulties. Opponents mockingly say that Ashmufare often used in webinars spiritual talk, dreams, hopes, and philosophical language, but gave less attention to realism, management, and deadlines. This approach sometimes appeared contrary to business transparency. Rivals further state that no major investors, partner companies, or startup accelerators have joined Onpassive.